In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a video using Kapwing, a versatile online editing tool that'll help you get your content just right. Whether you're looking to optimize your video for different social media platforms or simply want to adjust its dimensions, Kapwing makes this process smooth and easy. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to head over to kapwing.com. This platform is accessible directly from your web browser, so there's no need to download any software. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a button that says Create New. Clicking on this will start a new project, setting the stage for your video editing journey. If you haven't yet created an account, it might be a good idea to do so now, as it allows you to save your projects and access them later. Now that you're in your new project, it's time to add your video. You can easily upload it from your device by clicking the corresponding button and selecting your file. Once your video is uploaded, it'll appear on the canvas, ready for you to make your modifications. To begin resizing, click on your video in the canvas area. This action will allow you to select it for any adjustments. With your video selected, you'll notice corner handles around the edge of the video. To resize while maintaining the original proportions, click and drag one of these corner handles outward. This method ensures that the aspect ratio remains consistent, preventing any unwanted distortion. If maintaining the original shape isn't your goal, and you prefer a custom fit, you can use the side or top handles. Dragging these will allow you to stretch or shrink the video in one direction, which might be perfect for specific layout requirements. It's essential to spend a moment adjusting your video until it fits your desired canvas size. Take your time to ensure the video matches the dimensions you have in mind, as this can significantly impact how your content is perceived. Once you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to wrap things up. The final step in this process is to click the Export Project button. This will render your video, applying all the changes you've made. Depending on the length and complexity of your video, this might take a few moments, so sit back and let Kapwing do the work. And there you have it. You've successfully resized your video using Kapwing, making it ready to share with the world. Whether you're preparing content for Instagram, YouTube, or any other platform, Kapwing's user-friendly tools ensure that you can edit your video just the way you like. Thanks for following along, and happy editing!